ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. Non-destructive inspections, or NDI, is the process of using non-invasive procedures to inspect the condition of a material or measure a characteristic of an object without creating damage or disassembly. Remote visual inspections and most forms of visual inspections are technically different types of NDI. Utilizing a wide variety of technology, Eddy Current, Fluorescent Penetrant, Flux Leakage, Magnetic Particle, Radiographic, Tap Testing, Thermography, and Ultrasonic are just a few of the different types of non-destructive inspections that are used in the industry today. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.